Okay, hi class. So we're going to get started. Remember, you can pause and rewind the video as you go if I'm going way too fast. Okay, we're going to start with the first word. We're still working on the same blends, the same sounds. The first one is wrap. Miss Herrera wore a wrap today. This also can be like a tortilla wrap, like if we put lettuce, chicken, and we wrap it up, that's also called a wrap, a food wrap. Wrap. And if I sound out the word, I get a. So three sounds, right? The first one is W-R, making that R sound. Then A, which is A, and P, which is P, wrap. Check it, make sure you fix it on your paper or your whiteboard, whatever you're using, so that it can be registered in your brain. Okay, the next word is ring. But my friends, it's not the ring that you wear on a finger. A ring is when you take out all the water from, let's say, a rag or a mop, you wring it. So ring. And if I sound it out, I'm going to get r, I, ng. So there's three sounds. R is W-R, I is I, and ng is NG. So if you got that right, pat yourself on the back. Okay, number three. Number three is knit. If I knit something, I'm typically using yarn and I'm making maybe a scarf, a headband. I'm knitting something. The word is knit. Knit. I hear three sounds. N, I, t. Before I tell you how many sounds I'm hearing, I want you to be practicing this yourself, right? So you're telling yourself, how many sounds do I hear? I hear N, I, t. And when I write it down, I have N, which I know in this case is a KN, I, and T. Knit. And I blend it together and it says knit. If you didn't get it right, please fix it on your paper or your whiteboard, whatever you're using. Okay, number four, night. Again, I want you to make sure that as you are doing this, you're sounding the sounds out to yourself. Night. N, I, t. Night. And I hear three sounds. But very interesting because we already talked about long I and all the different combinations that can make long I. In this case, N is KN, I is IGH, and T is T. Night. Okay, the next word is gnome, and you already see right away that I have an arrow on my screen. So that there's probably a hint there that maybe we have a vowel that's giving its powers. I don't know. Gnome. Sound it out. N, O, M. Three sounds. GN for N, O. O is made with O and an E at the end. And M. So GNOME. Gnome. Please fix it if you got it wrong. If you didn't, good job, friends. Okay, the next one is gnaw. Someone gnaws at something, they're eating it. This beaver is gnawing at wood. Gnaw. I just hear two. Ooh, it was supposed to be two sounds, friends. I just hear two sounds. N, ah. And the ah sound is made with two letters. So I think I made a mistake. GN, AW. Yeah, that AW is being one box. Sorry, friends. No. Okay, the next word is limb. Now, limb, are we usually talking about limbs? If we're talking about it, we can talk about a trim limb, or we can also talk about our limbs, like our arms or our legs. Limb. L, I, M. Limb. And then we hear a blend on the last one. L is L, I is I, M is MB. Limb. Okay, next word is numb. Numb. If you sit on your legs, like if we're crisscross applesauce on the carpet, you might feel your legs go numb. Okay, I hear three sounds. N is N, right? Is U, and that blend, that silent blend at the end is MB, numb. Okay, we're coming to the conclusion of it. We're on word 9. These last two words are really long words. The first one is science. Science. And so if I sound it out, I hear s, I, eh, n, s. So I actually hear 5 sounds. S. The first sound is SC. I is made with an I. Eh is made with an E. N is made with an N. And remember what we say, when the C is with the E, it's making the sound. So we can't keep it by itself. If we keep the C by itself, it's going to make psych. So we need an E to make it go soft. So CE is the last one. So SCIENCE, science. Okay, the last word is scissors. Scissors. You cut with scissors. And so if I'm sounding it out, I get here s, I, s, or. That or is a control R. Or, s. So it's 5 sounds I'm hearing. The first sound I hear is s, which is SC. I, which is I. S, the SS, or. Control R, OR. And last one is scissors. Okay, friends, remember, you can always pause me, rewind, and if you needed to do it again, you can do it again. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.